Hey guys, welcome back to Feel the Burn. Today, I'm feeling ambitious. I'm feeling like getting burnt. You ever feel that way? I feel like getting really burnt by some really good hot sauce. I'm going to be finishing off the entire sauce lineup. 3 sauces for Reds. So far, it has been a journey. There have been 3, count them, 3 10 out of 10s out of the 4 sauces. One of them was an 8 out of 10. Solid sauce. So today, excuse me, I'm going to be taking on Morita hot sauce, 4 on their heat scale. Citra, another 4. And they're brand new. I know this is going to be the first review of this. I'm hoping it's the first review out. Rhed's Crazy Bird Small Batch Sriracha. I'm taking it on. Can't wait. When I come back, I'm going to get right into them. No time to waste. Let's go. Alright, the first one I'm jumping into is Morita. And I'm going to move right along, give you the information you need, and then give you the ratings on these. So, Morita. Ingredients: white vinegar, orange juice, chili peppers, onion, carrot, sea salt, apple cider vinegar, garlic, cilantro, honey, lime juice, coriander, and cumin. Head right into that. It sounds delicious. A flow restrictor. We have to get rid of that just for review purposes. Alright. Caught it. Got it. Alright. So I think this was the intention on this one. It smells like a really good Mexican food sauce. Like taco sauce, burritos. Very delicious. Can you give that a good pour? Thin bodied. Savory. A little salty, little vinegar in there. That's what I'm picking up. Let's get ready to feel the burn. Cheers. Wow. You can almost pick up like a toastiness, a char to the peppers. All of these ingredients kind of blend so that you're just getting like a raw chili flavor that's just so toasty, almost chipotle. Let me get another spoonful of this. This seems to be a trend with Reds. Alright. Vinegar, saltiness. Now this is like an incredible base sauce for an entire Mexican dish. I mean, you could use this as a taco sauce to carry the whole flavor. So good. You guys got to try this one. I'll be right back and I'll get into Citra. Just one moment. Alright. Citra ingredients: vinegar, habanero pepper, it's going to be a burny one, onion, carrot, pineapple juice, salt, garlic, Citra hops, lemon juice, lime juice, ginger, coriander, and turmeric. Heat scale 4. Shake it up real good. Alright. Get that open. Keep my knife out. Just might need to cut off a flow restrictor on that. Yeah, I'm gonna get that cut off and I'll get a good smell. Got it. Oh my, I have never smelled a sauce like this before. Very bright, vibrant aroma. You're catching citrus. Savory, not like a sweet citrus. It's like you're catching those very bright citrus notes. You're getting a lot of savory in the back. We're gonna see if I'm right. Get a pour here. Thin bodied. Never anything like this have I smelled. Cheers. Let's get ready to feel the burn. That's hoppy. I've never had a sauce like this. It is so unique. Wow. I need another taste. Give me a second, guys. That is so... I'll save the rating for you guys. Wow. Okay. I'll be back. Alright guys, time for some crazy bird. Let's hit this. Right there. Red jalapeno, brown sugar, distilled vinegar, seasoned rice vinegar, which is rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, tomato, onion, garlic, red miso, whoa, tamarind, sea salt, lemongrass, habanero chili, ginger, lime juice, and ghost chili. This is going to be a warm one. It's going to be warm. It's got that miso in there. That was a surprise. I like seeing that. No flow restrictor, the little thing fell off the cap here. It's fine. Let's give this a smell. I almost need to walk away, but I won't. That smells incredible, guys. That doesn't smell like Sriracha. That smells absolutely crafted and amazing. I'm catching sweet, savory. I got the tomato. Oh, it smells so fresh. I feel like they just made this like 10 minutes ago. Like fresh. That's nuts. I can't wait to get into this. A little thicker bodied. It's good. See that? Catching that fresh tomato. Holy cow, is that fresh tomato. Cheers. Let's get ready to feel the burn and cap off this trifecta. So sweet. It's like you're biting into a fresh tomato, and then you catch this back end. Oh, here it is. It's rampant. The ghost is coming in. This is... I absolutely love this. I'm going to show you the label, guys. Reds. I absolutely love how this tastes. I'll be right back. I'm going to put some thought into this, and I'll be back with my ratings. Just give me a moment. All right, guys, I'm back with the rating. I'll go quick. Morita, absolutely incredible. I tasted a little more of this just to get my head wrapped around it. I'm going to call the heat on this 1.5. It's not even a 2. It's done so well. It's very smoldery. You probably end up dumping a whole bunch of this on like a taco, a burrito. It's really good sauce. Flavor on this, I'm going to call it a 9. And I'm going to go overall on this a 10. Just because it's very specifically flavored in a way that I just love. I absolutely love it for Mexican food. Definitely a recommend on this one, guys. Morita, pick up a bottle. Citra, I'm confused as heck on this one. Now, I'm going to say heat on this is a 2. Okay. It's a little kick of heat. I've never tasted anything like it. And because I've never tasted anything like it that I can even compare it to, and it's such a mystery, I'm going to enjoy showing this off to my friends and having them try it. I'm going to call this overall a 9. Very good, just confusing. Like, I don't know what to put it on. I'll have to do some experiments. Very unique, very amazing sauce, though. Give it a 9. 10, 9. The Crazy Bird sauce, I almost want to do a whole video just talking about this sauce. This is going to be my go-to sauce because it's incredible. You get a big bottle, it's worth every penny, guys. This sauce, I would say maybe a 2 or a 2.5 at its peak with the heat. Flavor, a 10. Overall, a 10. Absolutely incredible sauce. So once again, incredible. 2 10s and a 9. Throw out your hui fong, or however you pronounce it, sriracha. Throw it in the garbage right now and get this. No comparison. This is amazing. Get it now. That's my advice. Thank you so much for joining. You can pick up your Rhed's hot sauce right here. Got it right down there, rhedshotsauce.com, because it's absolutely incredible. Pick up your Rhed's hot sauce right here, rhedshotsauce.com. Thank you for joining us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Make sure you are following us on Instagram, Mirabella_TV. Make sure you buy our merch or become a member. It really helped to support us. And thank you so much for joining us. I am beside myself. These were amazing sauces across the board. Almost perfect 10s across the board, mind you. Burn out.